Howdy y'all, today I'm doing another Christmas ornament demonstration. This customer chose my snowman couple ornament with a few minor changes. They met their significant other on Red Dead Redemption, so they wanted their ornament to be a little westerny themed. I tried my best to achieve that with the cowboy hats and horses. They also ordered one of my initial ornaments as well. Those all are one basic design. These both are available on my Etsy store, so if you would like to purchase your own, feel free to message me. I do prefer that you message me what you want before you purchase. That way we make sure that I can actually achieve what you want. I don't want to waste our time and not be able to give you exactly what you'd like. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Bye.